What the fuck? How did I just... Wait, don't you tell me that's the case, right? Holy shit. I think that might be the case. The sheesh is still bugged. Yeah, I think it's still bugged. So if I type in something right now, it just activated by itself again. How is it doing that? What the fuck is going on? Why is it doing that? Oh wait, is it what? I think I might have found the reason. I think we might have fixed the sheesh. I think so. Let's test. Yeah, I think we fixed it. So yeah, that was that was quite something. I thought it was fixed, but I found the issue on why it was doing that. But hey, now it's fixed, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But yeah, let me just finish setting up and we'll be right there in a moment. I ended up appearing earlier because there was a cheese that decided to pop up, and it was not a bug, it was a error on my side. I made a mistake while I was working on it to start, right? And I just noticed that. Holy shit. Now it's fixed. So we fixed cheese. We fixed cheese. That is absolutely wonderful. Alright, so since that has been fixed, I guess we can minimize that. And I need to... Alright, I think that should be good. And this should be good, like so. And we don't need this, and I think this should be good. Right. Alright, I think that's good. Alright. Let me just jump back into the scene. But first we need to disable this thing. And is the music going nicely? I hope so. I hope the music is going nicely. Yeah, it seems to be going nicely. That's great. That is great. So let me just jump back into the chat scene, which is right here. Hello everybody. How's everybody doing on this fine Saturday? It's been a pretty nice today, but very hot. It's been a very hot day today. Like, why is there so much heat? I get that there was rain a few days ago, but today was a lot more hotter than I expected it would be. It was quite a lot more hotter. Quite a lot hot. I just made something nonsense, didn't I? But anyways, let me see. I think I'm looking good. I think so, but I think it seems to be fine. Is it though? I think so. Hopefully my tracking is perfect, because I'm not so sure. It seems to be good, so maybe it's good. Like, since I have my eye trackings and all enabled, whenever I try to check myself out, it will of course do the same thing. So I can't really check myself out, and if I wanted to, which is sad, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Anyways, I'm looking over here. Okay, I think that probably makes sense. Probably. But anyways, today is a fine Saturday. Today we'll be working on our project, which is the icon pack that I was supposed to work on every week, but then I did not work on it since the first day I worked on it 2 weeks ago. So we're gonna be doing that, and that's pretty much it going to be. And we're also going to be aiming for Twitch affiliate. I would appreciate if you can give me the support to reach Twitch affiliate. We'll be having a lot more funds with all the things that we can take from Twitch affiliate, all the funny things that we can do with it. But anyways, that is what we are going to be doing, that project. And I had a last minute idea for the sound triggers to fix it from having the duplicate thing. I think that might work, so we're gonna test that out. And if it works, oh wow, we just fixed it, and now you no longer have to duplicate the sounds that come with it, and you can also spam it together without having the issue. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna do the icon pack next. So let me just bring up my strings and see if they are all working before we like jump into things. Fine, that's all. Add some nice water. Okay, with that said, let me just jump back into the scene of this one. Oh, why is the red thing disabled? Okay, let me just undisable it. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I think to be able to fix it, right, we can do an ignore command, whereas we'll ignore these. The question is, oh, okay, deny. So we are gonna deny the permission to Botisimo. So every single time Botisimo does relay the message, it will Streamer.Bot will ignore its message. I assume that will help with the duplication. We're gonna test it out. So first we're gonna do this on this one. Yeah, let's just do it every single one, and then we'll see if it works or not. Right? Okay. Botisimo on deny. We're gonna do that. Right? And this way we will be able to avoid the duplicates that we have been having for the last that we found out yesterday. I'm pretty sure this should help us with getting rid of the duplicate messages, because it goes to Botisimo, and if you set it to ignoring Botisimo, it should work like that. That's what I assume, but we'll find out. We'll find out in a moment. Let's just finish doing this. If it works, absolutely great. Like, this is the last minute idea that I just got just before starting the stream, and I'm like, what if I did that? And then I got this idea. So now we are doing this idea. So let's do that like so, and wait, let's do that like so, and one more to go, and this should now, oops, there we go. This should now, wait, what? Why did that come in? Why did a white boom sound come in? What the fuck? Did I trigger it by any chance? No, I didn't trigger it by any chance. Right? Why did that come in from? Did I trigger it? Did I, by mistake, trigger it? No? No way, right? Is there some kind of a mistake here? No? Oh, it's... Hello, Pat. Hello, Pat. How are you doing? It is fine day. That was you. Hello, Ma. I was like, what the as soon as I did this, as soon as I did the Moai thing, your sound message comes in. I'm like, how? What? Did I do some kind of a mistake with it or what? But yeah. Hello, how are you doing on this fun Saturday, Pet? I see you spamming them. Let's see. Let us test that. Since Botisimo is like slow on YouTube right now, the only way we can test it will be to post this on. Yes, you're just using the Moai. Indeed, you came in the right time while I was like working with the Moais. So now, if it this was the last minute idea that I got, and I think we fixed it. Yeah, we have fixed it. We have now fixed the duplication messages, so there's no longer going to be any duplication messages. Absolutely wonderful. We have managed to fix it. I just needed to have it ignore Botisimo. I just needed to have this ignore Botisimo, and now it works. And yeah, your timing was quite something. Your timing was quite something. I guess you can't duplicate it that way. Yeah, I guess you can mix multiple sounds into one, but you can't into one message, but you can't use the same sound multiple times in a single message. Okay, okay, we found that out, I guess. That is neat. That is neat. So yeah, we ended up fixing the duplication message. That is nice. Oh well, indeed, indeed. Oh well. The good thing is that we have fixed the duplication, so now nothing gets duplicated. Now we can have all the fun we want without it getting duplicated. That is that. Also, man, I love the sheesh sound in this. Like, I don't like the normal sheesh sound, but I like this one. I like how fun this sounds. Yeah, so I don't know if you saw the last minute message on Discord, but my bot that posts all the notifications, right? It for some reason resetted all my templates that I had and had to like redo it, every single thing within like the 10-20 minutes I had in it. And damn, that was quite a thing, because I didn't have anything saved. So all I had to was some older templates that I had it, and then I had to make it look as if the current was there. Now I'm going to back it all up, so next time I don't get this kind of an issue. Yeah. But we fixed it. I think it's working, right? Let me just check Discord. I think it should be working right here. Stream feed, yes. Okay, it seems to be working, so I guess that's good. That's good. I somehow managed to fix it at the last possible moment. And as he said, Hal has posted some message on it. GG, just the translation. Oof. Anyways, going back to the thing we are going to be doing today, we're going to be working on the emotes and stuff. Sorry, not emotes, icons. So we're going to be working on this. Slowly, nicely, and of course with references. And we do have some new ones that were not there when I finished it last time. Just a little bit. If you can distinguish it, great. It is somewhere here. What? Holy shit. Hello, about that was so hilarious. I was like, why did I just say banana? What thing made me say banana? And then I see that it was a translate thing. Holy shit, that is so hilarious. Like, I didn't expect that. Hello, coffee. Oh, hello, coughing bean. Welcome on in. How are you doing on this fine day? And thank you very much for the raid. How are you? And welcome on. How was your stream? What were you playing? Hello, Hattimax. Hello, Zelard. Welcome on in. How are you doing on this fine day? Thank you very much for the... What is going on over there? Hello. Wait, are you breaking locks? What? That was interesting. Wait, why did I just come back here? What the fuck? Okay, something did not work properly. Something did not work. But hello once again. Welcome morning. Welcome, Coughing Max. Hello, Hattie Max. And hello, Zaylar. And thank you very much for the follow here, Hattie Max. How are you doing on this fun Saturday? And I assume, Coughing, you're playing, what do you say, Fortnite? I assume you're playing Fortnite? Or were you doing your drawing stream? Yeah, that was Fortnite, Pat. That was Fortnite. You're doing good? Wonderful. I'm also doing good, although the heat is like not really helping me. For some reason, the sun decided to be a whole lot more hotter today. So it's been pretty hot today. So yeah. Aside from that, I'm doing good. I'm doing pretty neat. Oh, you have upgraded an art stream, so no longer any Fortnites? No Fortnites anymore? Just art? Oh, that's neat. That's neat. My model has improved so much. Yeah, we did some tweakings and all that stuff since last time, so that is that. That is that. We are now eye tracking and all that. Indeed. Indeed. I'd still do some gaming, but mostly art. Oh, I see. That's how it is. Oops. My head was like... my head was like very tilty while I was drinking some water. But I say, you have done mostly neat, neat. That's nice. That's nice. I've also like been doing less Battlefield these days. More of streaming things. Like right now, as I'm working on this icon pack we're making right here. Wait, what? No, no, no! Well, I guess this is fine. I guess this is fine. That is definitely fine. But yeah. Here we are. If you want to see the monstrosity, this is how I look right now. This is the monstrosity that you're seeing right now. The absolute monstrosity. Oh my god. That looks so weird, I think. Yeah, now it looks better. And of course I get set on fire. Understandable, understandable. It's definitely fine. It's definitely fine to be on fire while being censored. That is totally fine. That is totally fine. Indeed, indeed, I have been censored. I have become one of the censors. The censors of the censors. And now I am on fire. Yes, absolutely beautiful, indeed. But I don't think... Okay, there we go. Now I'm not censored, but I'm still on fire. I'm still on fire. But yes. I don't have to be in rigging for 10 hours. Wait, what? That's a lot of... Please tell me that you took some break, coughing bin. Please tell me that you took some break within those 10 hours. But yeah, great to hear that you have been improved on the rigging. Very great. Happy to hear that. It is neat. It is very nice. Just drinking some water. As I said, it's been like a hot day, so you get thirsty very fast. So yeah. I'll check. Do show me your rigging if you don't mind. You know what? I'll just check it on your one of your wards. Yeah, I'll just check it like that. No rest. Oh my god. Oh my god. Seriously, no rest. Holy shit. I need some of those energies. Please give me some of those energy. That is 10 hours. Damn. Yeah, have some nice rest, coughing bin. Have some nice rest. You have done a lot of work today. You've done quite a lot of work. Have some nice rest, coughing. You're a monster, yes. Yes. Okay. Holy shit, that is a lot of energy. That is a lot of energy. I'm here like... I will like do work for like 2 hours and I'm like become a potato. Then I become a potato and go inside my bed and become a potato. And then like take 5 hours of rest and then do work again for 2 hours and then become a potato again. That's literally me. Alright, have a good rest now. Have a good rest. I'll see you later then. Thank you once again for the raid. Hope you'll have a wonderful, nice rest. Take the good rest. You deserve it. Yes, I'll have an amazing stream. Thank you. Thank you. Well, now, let's go back to the work thing that we have right here. As we have seen previously, there have been some new icons that we just added in. That was not there in the stream when I ended it. But now we're gonna be working on adding more of this. Potato code. You know what? That's a good idea. That's a pretty good idea to have some kind of a redeem that turns me into a potato. I don't know how we can do that, but it's definitely a good idea. It'll be fun. I'm gonna try finding it out over this weekend if we can like have a way to turn me into a potato, even if it's to a PNG or something. But let's see. That's a pretty good idea. So for the icons. For the icons. What was I going to do next? We had these things which I will work on one by one, but right now they're like the basic thing of the principle is done. I have done the locks, I have done the toggles. So the next thing we're gonna need to do is, do I have the references? Just have a potato 3D model and paste your face on it. Yeah, that could be done. Yeah, that could be done. Just need to find a potato 3D model. Wait, can you like, will it be possible for it to be on this one? Sketch? Already I have a potato model in here. Although I have never converted FBX to VRM, but I don't think that should be a problem. Potato? Will they have a potato model, like just a potato which is downloadable and is free? There is a potato model, like we have one simple potato, a big potato. Interesting. But I'll find a way to have this done. Let's see if I can find a way. If it's easy, then I will do it over the weekend. If it's not, then I guess we can do it over the stream or something. We'll see. Well, we do have a lot of potatoes that we can choose from. A lot of variety, big potato, small potato, all kinds of potatoes. Let me drink some water. A singular potato, yes. A singular potato. Which we have like several of. And we also have potato chips. Yeah, I become a potato chips. That sounds pretty nice idea as well. Do I have my reference files? I think I have to like go and find my reference files. Oh, never mind. It's right here. So we do also have the reference files in my own thing, but right now I guess we can just rely on this one. Right, the thing I wanted to work on this time is the speaker thing, and yeah, I want to have multiple speakers of it. Oh, this is also a good idea for toggle. I'm not sure how that will work. I could see using this as well. Fine. So what I'm gonna try to do this time is to work on this, make a sound thing like this, like all three of these things, and let's see how that will work out. I need to do that, and bulb. Maybe we do need to have. Didn't I do the arrows already? I did the arrow work. I'm pretty sure I did the arrow work here. Oh yeah, these are the arrows. This is the arrow. You know what's hilarious? While I was working on the arrow part, they turned it to an angry mode. Like, I have no idea. All I was doing was doing the arrows, and now it has become an angry emoji, which you can use. Like, just turn this into red, like so, like this, and now you have an angry emote. You have an angry emote. So many icons, yes. There's a lot of icons. There's a lot of icons to make, but this is like so little compared to what we have, what this pack has, and I'm planning on having to do all of that. We'll see how it works out. We'll have to see how things work out. I think I've like done 10. I think 20 has been done so far, and we have like about 100-ish something in here alone. So yeah, we have a lot to do. Oh, trash icon is also pretty neat. So let's go back to the icons. That's my icons. All right. Yes, that is the emote. That is indeed the emote right there. Okay. So what was it? Sound thing, right? So for that, I'm gonna take a reference from here. So let me find a reference. Can I find a reference? Hello Mori, hello, welcome on in. How are you doing on this fine Saturday? How's your day been? And good morning to you as well. Good morning. I'm here right now working on our icon pack thingy. Icon pack thingy? I mean, it is an icon pack, not a thingy. Yeah. Okay. So right now I need to find the sound thing. I believe it's in the multimedia tab right here. So we are gonna copy these 5, 6, I believe. I'm gonna bring them over here. And we're gonna keep these close to each other. Like so, and this as well. I believe that was another one, right? Yep. And we're gonna bring this as well, and this one as well. So we're gonna have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 variants of this. Hello Redemption. Hello Redemption. How are you doing this fine Saturday, and welcome on in. How are you doing? I'm currently making an icon pack. I'm currently working on an icon pack for stuff that we can do with. So yes, that's what I'm currently doing. Design thingies. Yeah, it is pretty much basically design thingies. So to do this, I want to have some smoother curves, something like this. We're gonna do this thing first, and then we can add like these to it. So I'm gonna like, how is it? There's a point here, I assume. This guy uses like a lot of points, and I'm not like, I don't think I'm that advanced to be able to make use of these things that much. So I'm going to like limit myself to have less points. So right now, let's bring up my pen tool like so, and we're gonna like make it 2. Wait, that's not how I want it. Whatever. What about my pen? Oops. Oh, no way. What the fuck happened to my pen? It's 1. Yeah, I don't know how it be. Okay, there we go. Although it's not like perfect-ish. There we go. So we're gonna have it to be like this. And we're gonna have, wait, be a bit like here. And have it be like this. What? Wait, isn't there a way to have a middle? No. No. And then we're gonna have it be brought up like so. Now we're just gonna close it like that. And from here, we're gonna bring it like so. And I believe this was like what? 1, 2. So that's like this. It's not perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna guess we can. We're gonna have to do some things like so. So let's bring this up like, how much did I bring to? So we have 1, 2 and half. And we're gonna do the same thing over here. No, that's a bit of a bigger size. Now there we go. And then we're gonna have to be, yeah, as you can see, it's pretty shit right now, but it should probably look nicer as we get to thingies. I'm probably gonna need it to be like, that's not a good thing. I feel like the difference is a bit much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Maybe I should make it bigger. No, that's too big-ish. I could make it bigger. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then it looks weird. Ah, is it why? 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, that's why. There we go. Now it should look better. Whoops. And now we have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. we're gonna adjust that to be this thing right here. But I think that is not really what I think. Does it actually even look good right now? I don't know. It does not actually, to be honest. I don't even need to ask about it. It looks pretty not clean as compared to these ones at all. So we're gonna like have it be. Will it work if I do it like this? Oh, it does it like that. Okay. Okay. And if I do it like this, that did it much bigger than I wanted it. One looks good. And if I do 0.5 and 0.5 and that, and now it looks much nicer. Although I should probably have it be a bit more curvy like I had it before. I should probably have it like that. So we're gonna do, I could probably do it from here as well, but then it doesn't look that good. I mean, it looks absolutely horrendous. What I could do is, how did he do it? How was this one done? Okay, that was another curve like that. Maybe I should do it like that. Alright, let's try to do this. So we're gonna bring it up like so. And we're also going to like make another one from here to here. And now, if I am right, whoopsie daisy. Okay, that is not exactly how I want it to work. No, that's not how I want it to work at all. That's not how I want it to look. That's not how I want it to look. I want it to be have like, maybe if I like add a round corner on it. That might actually just work. How did I have it? Something like this ish. That is not good as this one. What the fuck? Is it because of the curves? Let me just reset that. Alright, that's good. Good. So we're gonna move this to be like so. And we're gonna also move this to up here, like so. Then we're just gonna turn this into 2, and that should look nice. Yeah, that looks nice, right? Right. But yes. Let me just drink some water. So I need to like stop reading a lot of the series stuff that I've been doing. Not doing. Like since the last 2 weeks, I've pretty much begun on a journey where I've like been picking up one series after another series after another series when it comes to reading manhwas and stuff. And holy shit, I've been reading a lot of the series. Like there's a lot of series that I've been reading, and I need to stop, but I can't stop. I just keep on reading and reading and reading. Hello Pat on Twitch, welcome on in. How are you doing? Welcome in on Twitch. But yeah, as I was saying, manhwa collection, or I guess you could say that. I guess you could say that. Does it really is it a really big change if my reading list went from 400 to 500 series? Is it big of a change? Like, that's how many series I have right now. And I'm kind of worried about my sanity, because that's a lot of series that I have in my list. So much so that Tachiyomi that I used to read it, every single time I update my list, it warns me. It warns me. Oh, you have too much series in the thing. I don't know, I haven't read anything in a while. That is true. That is fair enough. I haven't read it anything as well in like few months, and then I decided to read something for a change, and then I fell in back in the hole of where you just keep on reading and reading and reading and adding new series to your library. It just means you have something to fall back on when one of them is updating. That is true. The only thing is it's easier to pick up newer series than like continuing reading older series. Like, it's much easier to pick up a new series and just read that instead of like to going back to older series. Like about 3 out of 200 series or something that are not touched hands at all for years now, because I just keep on picking up new series instead, and I'm like, I don't think I want to read you today. And I just say, why even read this when I can just find something new and tasty, and I go and read something new instead. And those series are still sitting like that, and they're like, why read me? Why you picked me up if you don't want to read me? Why you do this to us? Why you make us suffer? Why you keep us in your library? GG's indeed. The guy, GG's, very GG's. Yeah, I can't really see the series in my phone, right? Since I moved every single thing to Tachiyomi. Okay. Maybe more readable material, and there is time to read them all. That is in fact true. It's there's so many chapters now. That's like, I can't even count how many chapters I have to read to clear my library. Just 5 years ago, all I had in my library was like 20 series, and in that 5 years now it's like almost 500 series. Like, holy shit, that's a lot of series, but I can't stop adding them. I just keep on adding them. I just keep on eating them even though I can't complete them. Let me just drink some more water. Also, I just realized the chat box is not working below. Again? It's a bit of a pain in the ass. My kids will probably inherit my reading list. Man, what was that joke where it wasn't a joke of some series where your grandkids and their grandkids will still be there for the series to get completed? Even if you're dead, even if your kids die, even if your grandkids die, the series will keep on going on, and your grandkids will probably watch the end of it. Will read the grandkids will read the end of it. I don't remember which series it was which had that joke on it. What series was it? It had a joke where it will just keep on running and running and running without any end on sight. Is that One Piece or Detective Conan? I don't know. I don't remember either. I read that joke like several times few years ago, but it might be One Piece or it could also be Detective Conan. It could be any of those two, since I believe both of those series are like still running over the course of how many years, I don't know, but they're definitely old. Indeed, indeed. We have done this. I feel like it's a bit small, but we can always like resize it up a bit if you want to. I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna bring this out. But yeah, that's been the spiraling thing. It's kind of funny how I no longer even watch anime, even though I want to watch anime. Like, what was that anime that I wanted to watch? I think Shikikomori. I think it was Shikikomori. There's also 86 if I remember correctly. And then I also had another series in it that I wanted to watch, but I still have not watched. Oops. Wait, really? Detective Conan is older than One Piece? What the fuck? I thought it was One Piece that was older than Detective Conan. Holy shit. I did not know that it was One Piece. Sorry, Detective Conan that was older than it. Like, holy damn. That's quite something unexpected. GG. Oh, that's a nice idea. You rotate this in the first place. I think I could do something like this. And then I do something like this. Oh, that was easy. I thought cross is not going to be that easy, but instead it was that easy. What the fuck? That was easy. Unexpected. Unexpected. But yeah, there's no detective Conan was that old. Interesting. Interesting. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. That is perfect. Wonderful. I'm gonna get rid of these, oops, and this. And now we are gonna bring this back like so. And I don't think that's a good idea like that. The better way it will be to like do it this way and then remove these two dots. And now we have this thing. Wonderful. Ooh. Wait, which music is this? Ah, it's Mirai Sekai. Yep, of course. Of course. It is indeed that music. I like this music. So we are now done like 4 things. I feel like it's not perfect in a sense. Is it? It looks okay to me. It looks okay to me. Although it could probably be much better in a sense. Detective Conan has been around since 94. If a Detective Conan has been around since 94, then how long has it been for One Piece? Oh. Oh. 97. 94. Ooh. both have similar number of volumes as well. Interesting. 102 volumes versus 101 volumes. I don't know how many chapters they have, but GG. That's long as fuck run, alright. You know, I thought Detective Conan would have actually ended by now. Like, isn't the main plot of Detective Conan like he gets into some kind of a thing and turns into a kid, and now he has to find a way to turn back into adult, right? Wasn't it a plot of Detective Conan? And I assume it should have been more by now, but it seems to be still going on. I don't know how they're dragging that. I don't know how they're dragging that at all. Like, it doesn't make sense, but it is what it is. Like, if it works, it works. If it sells, it sells. So it is indeed that, yep. You know, I remember the time when Detective Conan used to air on one of our channels, and it was like airing at 11 p.m. at night. Was it 11 p.m. or was it 12 p.m? I don't remember, but it used to be like late night, and I was like, and at that time I didn't used to stay up that late. I used to sleep much early, unlike nowadays where I sleep at like 4 o'clock or something. Yeah, and it was interesting. Like, I was only able to watch like the first few episodes, and that was pretty fun. And then I found, and a few years later I found out what the name of the thing was, because when I was watching it on TV, right, it was called Case Closed. And since we didn't really have internet back then, there's no way for me to search it up and see what that series was or where I could find more of it. So yeah, and then I found out it was called Detective Conan instead, and it was still running with no end in sight. Speaking of no end in sight, I never did complete Bleach as well. There's so many series that I never actually completed properly, even though they're like completely done with anime. No, did I? Yes, I did complete Bleach, right? Ah, is that how it is? I think that might be why. I thought Bleach was ended, but it had not. Bleach had the Aizen arc, and I'm pretty sure. Okay, never mind. I don't remember it. It's been too many years now. I can't remember it. It will run until the end of time. I guess so. It is going to run until the end of time. That's not going to be any change. Will I make this like bigger? It's like 1, 2, 3, and I'm also have like 1, 2, 1/2. I guess I could make this a little bit big, like so. It should be good. Like so. Okay, that looks absolutely weird, but it's going to look normal in a bit. There we go. Now it looks normal. I think I stopped at the Fullbringer arc of Bleach, anime wise. I see. Fullbringer arc wasn't Fullbringer arc like the time when before Aizen was defeated? Or was it like after Aizen was defeated? What was it? Fullbringer arc? I have not read the manga of Bleach either. I have not read the Bleach manga either. Like, I've pretty much not read any of the popular shonen mangas at all. Like, Chainsaw Man could be considered. Yeah, I guess I read Chainsaw Man a bit, but I not completed it. That's about the only thing I think that I read the shonen manga of. Man, this is annoying. I think this big ass pop up. Holy shit balls. Okay. Lost Agent R. Okay, this is after that. Okay. So this is after that. I don't know if I watched this or not. I might have watched it. Or maybe No, I don't think I watched this one. I'm pretty sure, if we are right, that was the... Wasn't there a... What was the character name of the other character? Rukia? Yeah, Rukia. Which one was it? I don't know which one of it, but I'm pretty sure it was one of these episodes over here where I stopped watching the anime. Because once the series ended, he's back on Yushima. Aizen. Why is that? Oh, this is... So I'm not assumed that then I ended it in season 14. I stopped watching in season 14 then, I think. Since I'm pretty sure yep, it's right around here. I'm pretty sure I stopped watching right around this part, somewhere around here. I remember that they stopped fighting. The fighting finished, and then it was like suddenly some kind of a slice of life thing, like with corn and something, and I lost my interest because it felt like it was just filler, and I assume it was definitely filler arc. I was like, okay, fine. This is where it stops, and I stopped somewhere around here. It's definitely around here somewhere, in between these 5-6 episodes. Yeah, that is definitely where I stopped watching. Sorry. Right. Pretty sure that's where I stopped it. That is where I probably ended it. Now let's bring this to center. This thing I need to add is the curvy things, which is just did the curve like that. How did you just do the... Oh, okay. I guess 2 dots could be done. The 1, 2 and 1, 2, something like that. Okay, so let's assume that we have a dot over here. Alright. So let's assume that we put a dot over here and we put a dot over here. And then how many pieces is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So around here and here, like so. And now if I do it, isn't this how I do it? Something like this. No, I guess not. Maybe if I do it like oops. Wait, what if I like just deleted this? Oops. I mean, I could just do it like that, right? So let's bring this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's bring this a bit ahead over here. Now, if I am right, to be that's why he used it like that. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Got it. Got it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna bring you out once a bit more, like so. And we're gonna do something like that. Something like this is also fine, I think. But yeah. And then we're gonna do something like that. Like so. Now, if I'm right, I change this to end point with round and end point with round, and I no. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. Let's bring this a bit one. So that doesn't really look smooth. I don't like this. So I'm gonna delete that once more. How do I do this one? Let's just figure it out later. Let's go with something else for now. Let's just delete all of these inside here. There's something in the group. Ah, it's an arrow thing. What the hell is this thing? Ah. Not delete you. Ah. There we go. Alright. So for the time being, let's just put these four around here. So we're gonna put this right here, and then I'm gonna put this one like so. Oops. This one like so. This one like so. Oops. And this one like so. There we go. Yeah, it looks absolutely bad right now, but we'll fix it. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. Okay, what do we do next? I mean, I do want to do these two over here, but at the moment I can't really figure out how I can like have that nice curve looking thing. So I'm just gonna let it be like that, and let's see what we can do. Where's the icon pack? Was it this one? Here? Yeah. So the next thing I guess we could do is this thing. Share icon. For share, we can do something like that. I guess that could be done. We could do the share icon, and we could also have these two. I did the folder work, so I don't think we need to do that. Oh, I could do it like that. Yeah, I didn't think I think of that idea. Nice. We could just do it like that thing. That's good. All right. Go back to the board. We just copy this, duplicate that, bring it back here. Oops. And now we just like, I believe I needed to do 1, 2 here, and then here. Yes. Just a bit like so. That looks not good, does it? I don't think that looks good. You know, if I like do it with round, I don't think that will look good. If I make this a bit small, maybe it will look good. I'm assuming they're actually all the same size. If that's the case, one, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think that is perfect. Could actually like make it go up higher and go up higher, and have this extend like so. That looks okay, I think. But we just like bring that and place it over here like so. Go the lights down. That's neat. That's nice. Alright. The next thing I wanted to do was what again? I forgot what it was supposed to do. Crash? No, thank you. Not yet. Back. Mic. The arrows. What can I use for the arrows? Like, I've already made these arrows, right? But I don't know. Guys, we'll work on the share icon thing, and oops, but we'll work on the share, and we'll probably work on record. Yeah, record looks good. I'm assuming that they used the blur on it. Yeah, they could have done that for it. They could have probably done this. But yeah, we'll go with share icon. So do that. I'm gonna go back to pen tool. I can probably just use the keyboard shortcuts, but I keep on forgetting that. So something like this, and something like, how many? Like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right? No. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, alright. So we have done that. Now I need to add little points to. How do I do a square on this anyways? Like circle, I mean. But I like just. No, wait. Don't I actually have a reference here? I'm pretty sure this icon pack has a reference for the. For the thing. I'm pretty sure I saw it somewhere in here. What is this thing? Purse? Where is the share icon that I saw? It was definitely in here, so I know that it was here, but I don't know where it was. Dropper, no. Share. I don't see share. Like and support? No, I don't think it's in here. No. Files and content? No. Messages? Nope. Security? No. Users? No. Money? No. Menu? Text editor, call, time, location, arrows. I don't see it. I'm pretty sure I had seen a share icon in here somewhere, but maybe I was wrong. Maybe I confused it with something else. Don't think I see it anywhere here. Multimedia, no, I don't see the thing. Nope. Nope. No, I don't see it. I don't see it. Where is it when you need it? Pretty sure I saw it somewhere, but I can't find it. Well, if we can't find it, then we're gonna have to just experiment and see. But yeah. I still can't find it. Well, whatever. Guess we're just gonna find an expedient. If I'm right. No. Oops. Will this work? It actually works. What the fuck? It works. Wow. That's surprising. Why? Wait, what is this music? That's nice. Let me like increase that. 15? Yeah, that is good. This is a good music. I like it. Speaking of it, I'm thinking of making like a new playlist. I'm gonna see what music I'm gonna put in. Maybe next week we're gonna get a new playlist. I don't know. Let us see. I have an idea, but I don't know if it will work out. So we're gonna have this. And there we go. Wonderful. I could probably have it be bigger, which I will do after we are done with this. But now, just need to do, I believe, something like this. How big is that? 1.5. I think that should be okay. If I do this, why is it like okay? Does it not work like that? Okay, in that case, she'll probably okay. So what I need to do is have this come up like so, and have this go down like so, and have this come up like so, and like so. And let's just move it a bit in like so, and I'm gonna have this way at like this, like this, like this, and like this. I'm gonna delete this part. I'm gonna add a thing like so, and we're gonna fill it up, I think, since I believe even this is filled up. Yeah, so we're done. I'm gonna add one more, delete that, add a pen, like so, and we do that, and now we just bring this up and bring this down a bit. How many lines do we have? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. I kind of similar. I think that's good. That's good. Let's also like take the time to fill it up. I'm gonna fill this up. Wait. That and that. Yep. Wonderful. And now I'm gonna do take one line from here and bring it over here, and take one line from here and we're gonna bring it here like so. We're gonna like adjust it something like this. You can also do something like this, and there we go. You're just like made up a share icon that looks kind of weird, but we could also add this a bit inwards like so. And I can actually like make this a bit asymmetrical. And there we go, we are now made the share icon. Nice. Oops. And I'm gonna put this around here. It looks neat. It looks a bit different, but it looks neat. It looks neat. Alright, let me just stretch a bit. Alright, that is nice. Yeah, speaking of which, you know what? I don't need to fix why that actually went up. Like, the actual plan was not for it to have to go back to it, but I seem like I forgot something to do it. Let me just see what we missed out. Like, coughing been raided us, right? Earlier. And when that happened, instead of sticking to the scene, it went back to the original scene, which is not how it was supposed to go. So let me just find the raid. Okay. Ah, it is why. Okay, let me just delete this and delete that, and it should make it work again. Now we won't have that issue. Nice, nice. I can't believe that I missed it, but it is what it is. What it is. But next time it will work properly. I don't know how I killed my cats fighting. Maybe it was just me. Maybe it was just me. Alright. Alright. Now what I need to do is we've done the locks, we have done the share icon. Yeah, the share icon does look a bit weird, doesn't it? Maybe I need to like bring this more towards the center. Something like that. I think it's just me being me. I think it's just me being me. Alright, the chat box is not working. The chat box was working. I don't need to find a way where I can like have it not do that annoying thing. What if I don't like that? But one or two more icons, and then let's see if we can like have our own basic chat overlay thing. What the fuck? Where did that sound coming from? Did I trigger something? Or is there like... Hello. Man, that really does still shock me. Especially because of what happened with Sheesh. Like every single time a sound comes in, I don't see a message because there's a slight delay with message or with missing messages, right? And I'm like, what? How? Where did this sound come in from? And then I see the message pop in. So let's see if we can have it have a basic thing. Although I'm not sure how. I don't think it will be able to support emotes, right? But if it works basically, it is nice. Yes. We'll see. We'll see. After this is after a while, another icon or two. Like, it's kind of bugging me that we don't have a chat visible down there, even though we have that nice looking chat box below. Moving on to the next icon. Record off and on. The way I currently have my record on and off is, wait, this thing, but I'm not sure that I had another one. Okay. So but I guess we can do record a circle for this and a circle for that and a circle green, red, something like that. Could also walk. That could walk. That could walk. Alright. I believe this is going to be probably simple. I'm gonna add 12 by 12. I'm gonna center it within the frame. So we had this basic thing, right? So I'm just going to duplicate that and take it out. How would I want it to change the colors though? Like, okay, you know what? Let's just duplicate few more. Oops. Well, something like that, or we could have something like this. I don't think that looks that good unless I like. I go like just have it to be red and green, like just like that. In a normal state where it's in neutral, but right now for neutral we're like using the blue color, but the other thing will not have the blue color on it. Oops. How is my battery draining so fast? It's that like, if you could see my phone, it's already 25%. How? What is going on with my phone's battery? How is it 25%? I saw some notification pop up on my phone, and I like saw what went to see what it is, and it's already 25%. Like, what the fuck? Rip indeed. Let me just put this to charge so that we don't have it turned off. Are back. Now it's. Can I get a new battery for it? I don't know. I don't know if I could. I think it could be possible, yeah. I'm pretty sure I heard that you can replace batteries if you go to service centers and stuff. So it might be possible. I just need to see if I can get it done. Let's see. I'll ask if it's like okay price. I will like get it replaced this month. If it's not, maybe next one. Since I do have some things. If it can be done, that's good. That is good. That would be pretty nice if I can replace the battery for it. That didn't flash me that I could have just gone to a service center and asked them if I could replace it. LMO. Yes, per age. So we're gonna have these. That became like a signal light now, and so many emotes are popping up. Bodies modus, what bodies modus? Alright, so I guess that's good enough for the emotes. That's good enough for the circles. We're gonna put this like so. We're gonna like have it be something like that and something like that. I could probably also add like a slight blur to it. How would it look? Probably like if I duplicate this, no, not you. If I duplicate this thing like so, and like so, right? And if I add an effect, this looks actually good. This looks much better. It also feels like it's glowing, but it's not really glowing. Like, let's do this, right? So Eclipse 3, and if I go back in here, add a blur. What is the blur thing for this? There's a blur at 5. So if I add a blur of 5, that looks nice. That looks pretty neat. Looks like a traffic light. It indeed does look like a traffic light. This is supposed to like show when a recording is on and off. So in a sense, it is like a traffic light. So whenever your stream is on, you turn green. Whenever stream is off, you turn red. Or if you like the kind of have it be red when stream is on, then you do it like this. I don't know how this would look. I wonder. If I do this, I don't layer blur. It doesn't look that good as these two, but it has its own layer to it in a sense. Oh, that could mean if I add a blur on this, I could actually have it looking, not you. If I duplicate this, like so, and if I, will that mean that this will look much better? Like, let's just add a frame. Okay, like so, and let's add a dark color. Ooh, ooh, that actually looks nice. That actually looks pretty neat. Damn. I guess for these I could add some glow. We'll see. We'll see. For now, the basic idea is to have like. For now, the basic idea is to have like this work. All these icons done, and then we can like look into adding those things. Glowy, indeed, very glowy. It looks nice actually. Looks pretty nice because I do plan on adding all the glowy things for all these, right? But one actually look much better with the glow part. Like, these do look pretty nice, honestly speaking. They look so good. I can't believe how good this two look with the glowing effect. I could also have it glow whenever the screen is on. Yeah, I do have it. Alright, I do have it right here. But I don't think that would look good, will it? Unless... No, not sure how that would look. Maybe... we'll see when we get to doing the final packaging thing. We'll then see how we want it. Like, as you saw, there's a lot of icons we need to do, and once that is done, it will be turned to something like these, which can be added to your streams and stuff. So yeah. Next up we want is music, play, pause, fast forward. I mean, for them they're kind of same, but I guess so. But that shouldn't be that hard because we do have references for that, which is right here. Play, pause. Okay, that's a pretty nice idea. Have it play and then you'll mix it up with that and have it a play pause. It's also pretty nice. 1, 2, these are all single lines. Thought so. And I think this is for like voice lines. Okay. And we do want to have a repeat as well. Well, we'll look into that later. Fast forward, playback. This could also be useful for us. Okay, so this will be useful. Neat. But for now, let's add this thing. So to do that, I'm gonna have to like have it be four. That looks a bit weird, but I think it has its own flair. So I'm going to go with that. Like so. Now duplicate that. We put this out. Oh. Hey. That means I want to do that again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. And I could also have like 180. That is neat. Okay, let's duplicate that. And what we're gonna do is we bring this one here and we bring this one like so. And now we do 180 on this. And there you go. That looks pretty neat. That was kind of simple. Whatever. That's pretty simple. I'm gonna bring this back up here. Like so. And I'm gonna add a posting. So back to this. And now we add a round. Does that look like a pause play button? No, it does not. It needs to be a bit more close. Sorry. Something like that. And now there we go. Okay. How the fuck did this turn out to be so easy? I have no idea how this turned out to be so easy, but yeah. Tun, tun. Tun, 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 tun. So we just ended up doing the entire music section except for these two. There's a pretty good progress we've done so far. Although I think I might need to have it be bigger a bit. Shouldn't be that hard. You're thinking. Okay. What are you thinking? I see, you're trying to experiment if that will. That's going to work. Yeah, it did not work. I think the best. Yeah, you'll have to spam it like one by one to have it work. I guess that's the way you're gonna have to do it. Sad cake, very sad indeed. Indeed. I guess that's enough designing for now. I guess that's enough designing. Let's take a small break from all the designing because my brain might actually stop working if I am like concentrating a bit too much on this. Let's take a small break from it. Shall we? Let us take a small break from it. Alright, so since we're taking a break from this design thing, let's see if we can like maybe work on the overlay thing, like at least to have a chat pop up. How does it feel knowing halfway? Holy shit. But it's actually been half a year since 2022 started. Fuck. I didn't even notice that it had been that long. What the fuck? Holy shit. No way. It's already we're already halfway in. Holy shit. Holy shit. Time fucking flies by so fast that we are almost at 2023. Holy shit. Like, holy shit. What the fuck? Time, sweet kacha. I don't know, time is like so fast. It goes by so fast. You don't even realize that time has gone by so fast. And I can't even believe that it's been long. We are 6 months since 2022. And it's almost about to end in another 6 months. It feels like 2022 was just... 2022 just arrived like few days ago. But now it's actually not few days, but it's 6 months ago. And damn. That's a lot of time. Wow. GG. That is quite a time. Seriously. I really can't believe how much time has gone by like that. What the fuck? What the fuck? How? My brain hurts now. I mean, not really, but in a sense that so much time has passed by. In a sense as how much time has gone by like that. Hello. Can't believe it. Holy shit. Okay, that's enough with the time thing. I think right, so how would I do? I think I had an action for Streamer.Bot somewhere. Let's see if I can. Time is an illusion. Time is indeed quite an illusion. It like fucking just goes by like that. Holy shit. Like, what the fuck? How fast does it go like that? GG's. Yeah, I'm doing overlays. What I'm currently trying to see. I'm just trying to set it up. That's what we are doing. I just need to know how this works a bit. We had a chart. I do also wanted to ignore a bot. I could probably do that. So yeah. Let's let me just figure something out. And once I figure it out, I'll show it on screen. Just need to figure some things out. So I had that. And I believe I'm not sure how this will work. Like, here's the thing, right? I found this way of being able to log the chat, and the thing is, as you can see, every single thing is logged 2 times. I'm not sure how that's happening. Like, it logs every single thing 2 times, but I'm not sure. Does it actually log 2 times though? Overlay time, yes, it is actually log 2 times. Yeah, double chat. I think there might be a way. I don't know what way that is to fix this. But what we could do right now is just test how this works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add an browser overlay, like just for this. We're gonna like have it be 1880 by 100, like so, like somewhere around. Let's just have it on top of my head. Okay, now if I do it, so somewhere on top like so, and then local file, and if I am right on how it should work, will this work? Something like that. Like if we send a test message on say 1.2, it doesn't even do anything, does it? Like, I don't see anything happening. Nothing is happening. It should happen, like something should pop up on top of me, but it doesn't seem like anything is popping up, although things are definitely loading in here. So it's a bit of an issue. We had that. A different way for it to do. Yeah, very sad. It is pretty sad that we can't make this one work. That is probably a way. I will just have to consult the experts in all this stuff, HTML and all that. I'm pretty sure with HTML and stuff we could probably do something like this. Let's see. I'll ask them today, and hopefully we can get some solution on how we could have the chat not double up, have it ignored Botisimo's messages, and have it look nice and clean, as well as maybe support for BTTV modes as well. If we can make it work, that's going to look so much nicer. And we can customize it however we want and have it look neat and clean. Let's see. For now, what we can do right now is go to. I'm just gonna blur this part because I'm pretty sure I might be in a risky section of something that I shouldn't. Okay, never mind. So what we can do here is we can scroll off here and see if we can like implement something fun in maybe next stream or something, but basically get an idea, something that we can do in the other stream. Let's see if we can find something. What does this do? I'm gonna reduce the volume of this a bit. Let's bring this down to -25. All right. What does this do? Let me just. Oh, that's a nice idea. Like we could have like a redeem where when you redeem it, it will activate every single thing, every single redeem we have in it. We could have something like that. That should be not that hard. Ouch, 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 ouch. Elemo. So yeah, we could have do that. Like, okay, I'm gonna like copy message link. So we have that message link, and I want to paste it in my private archive, which is like hidden down here, and has all the stuff saved. So I'm gonna post it to that. Good. So we can do that. So I guess we will do it next Friday, or maybe Thursday if I have like time after Battlefield is done. But yeah, we're gonna work on that one. That looks fun. I don't know how much points we're gonna keep it for that though. Like, and should we like increase it after every single? If I add a redeem, will I increase the point, or will it be like something like stable? Who knows? Wonder. I think maybe I'll keep it like have it be a basic point. Like like if you spend 5,000 points, and no matter how many redeems I add in the future, it remains 5,000 points, and if you spend it, it activates every single thing. I think that's reasonable enough. That sounds reasonable enough. Although I mean, this is just an example of being 5,000 points. It could be lower, it could be higher, but just an example for the timing. What else can we see? Here's one translator I wanted to use, but I can't really find an option to see. But it does have the automatic translation, unlike the translate command we have. This will automate if it detects a foreign language, it automatically like translate it, which is neat. Yeah, 5K is indeed manageable indeed. Like, it's still not decided what the price will be. The 5K was still an example. This is... What does this do? Let's see. Oh, it zooms in. Oh, so it keeps on zooming inside the game every few seconds. Maximum zoom. I guess for the most hype periods, it could be useful. And then it becomes normal.
Oh,
We routed that squad.
This is a good idea, isn't it? Like, especially when I'm like playing some game. I'm gonna copy this as well. That's a good idea. I'm gonna keep it like that. And we're gonna come up to this. Oh wait, it's the wrong page. This is where it goes. Yes, Apex. Although it can be used for anything else. The idea can be used for definitely anything else. But yeah, right now it was used on Apex. It is there. What does this do? Nothing?
oh no, I'm so tired.
Oh, It's a health bar thingy.
I think I have this potion handy.
That's an interesting one, but I don't think I see a usefulness in it. Like, nah, I don't think that's useful. I see the things. What is this thing? Like a hydrate alert? Basically, I assume that somebody used the redeem hydrate command, and it then gives you a time limit. So this is when the time limit starts. What? No.
I think I have this potion handy.
Wait, how does this work?
Oh no, I'm
Okay,
so
yeah.
tired.
So basically, when I believe somebody redeems the
I think I have
Redeem.
this potion handy.
and then the person has to drink it within the specified time to make it work. It's not really alert per se, it's just you drink within this time kind of thing, but the looks of it. Yeah, it does also apply some kind of a blur thing. Is it blur?
Tired.
That's a blurrish, kind of blur, zoom blur.
I think I have this potion handy.
We could use it in the future. I'm going to save that as well. We could use something like that in the future. So let's go and put this in here. What does this do? It's not available. Okay, let's just copy it and paste it in my YouTube. Does it do anything? I don't think. What the fuck? Oh. Kind of interesting, but it just ends. It doesn't have any purpose on it. At least it feels like it. Or maybe applies some sort of a here effect whenever you get set on fire. Alright, we don't have any effect on a fire thing, do we? That's a good idea. That's a good idea actually. To have something on the fire thing. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea actually. Since I rely on the Botisimo's fire alert, I could instead have something else, which is actually like fire thing. Maybe add like a fire effect to it, like the fire sound effect, or something else. I wonder. Yeah, we'll figure it out. What we want to use. What is this thing? Can you like see this? No sound? That's a very less sound.
Pikachu!
It won't really work for us. It is an interesting concept, but it won't really work for us right now because we don't have the channel pointings that can be used with it. And we don't even play RPG games. But it's a pretty neat concept for RPG and stuff. There's a chat minigame? What the fuck? Wait, no way, right? What? No. No way. What? How do you work? How does this work? Yes, it's a chat mini game that runs Mario, but I'm not sure how this works. Is it like a randomizer thing? I can't. I don't get how it works. Can you actually even control it? Or is it like automatic? And it's basically like gacha. Like it's basically like gacha then. If you can't control it, isn't it just gacha? Alright, I came across this earlier in somewhere else, and this was a pretty nice thing. You can actually hug people.
Tay, look.
Engelheimer just subscribed.
Oh, good, good. Everyone's hugging Tay.
So you can like
Tay, you've
basically
been
hug
asked if you
somebody.
wanted to be hugged, and then you did, and then it happened. There it was. You might have. It happened right there.
Like
There it is
that.
again. Oh my god! I didn't know that you could spam yes.
Hi there.
That's amazing. I didn't know that that was a thing that it could do.
Gacha controls, I know, right? Okay, this is also an interesting concept. Although I don't think we can use it on YouTube yet, because on YouTube you don't get the user information yet, but it is a pretty neat one. Okay, let's copy message and we're gonna like save this over here. Botibox. Maybe in the future, but we can't really use that one. Alright, that reminds me, I want to add like something else as well for the VIP regulars, or some chat commands or something, but I don't really know what we can add for that. But you all like we have chat highlights thing, like by highlight, it is exclusive to VIPs and stuff, but it's only one thing we have. I wonder what else can we add to that. I wonder what else can we add to the as a higher as a bonus for VIPs and regulars. For redeem.
Alright, let's do it. This should be the last test. Still a few timing things, but the last test for now. Dunk my bunkle ship reward. Move so. There we go. Ooh, can you feel it coming? Oh. Getting chills.
Long ago, in a world underwater.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? This is so fucking absurd. What the fuck? Holy shit. This is absolutely absurd. Oh my god. So there's a tactical bomb, then the police car comes in by driving on the water, and then they get out of the car and then the bomb came. What? Hello,
19, 20. Okay, 69 seconds later. Of the bonk jail, the you sunk my bunkle ship reward.
Hello.
For now. Getting chills.
Long ago, in a world underwater.
Those are just patrol boats. Hello, ma. That's so fucking hilarious. It's so absurd, it's hilarious. I love the animation on how it does that for these bongs. Elamba. That's hilarious.
$19, 20. Okay, 69 seconds later.
Interesting. We have something interesting here. Let's see what we see in here. It's 2 minutes long. Wow.
Right. Let's head back outside. We got this. I mean, we seem unstoppable, so we can do this. All right. Oh, another one of these. Oh, what the hell?
So,
Angry this time.
what the fuck was that?
Hello, motherfucker. Oh. That. Ooh, shit. That's got it.
How far broken?
What's that?
Oh, there it goes. How far wasn't updating on my screen?
Oh, okay.
It's fine.
Wendy's chili. Oh yeah, that does count. As we're in the middle of battle. Oof. All right. Shit.
How does this work exactly?
special burn right against the forehead. That's no good.
Okay, so the chat can use these commands to control this character.
Oh,
And
that doesn't smell very good.
not sure how this works.
Shit.
Okay, I believe this is emotes use.
Stream on so I can hear the sound.
Not sure how this works.
Fuck yeah, eat crustacean. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. That's a pretty powerful blow. Shit, yeah. Oh man. Just keeps hitting me with this potato. Oh. Get him, everybody. Get this horrible thing out of our dimension.
They send commands in chat. Yes, yes.
Boom. Yeah.
They send commands in chat like attack and stuff.
Heck yeah. Thank you. We got this.
And then the character attacks the monster thingy. Would it be nice if they showed the chat box somewhere so that we could see how it is working on that side?
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh wait, maybe I could. No.
Ooh, shit.
Maybe I could actually see that in here. Maybe you could see that in this. Like clips generally come with this, right? So if we go here, yep, that's loud. Basically just spam the thingy. Lower. So yep, basically it works like that. As you can see, they just spam the commands and hope it works out. Just pray it works against the monster. Pretty fun thing. Pretty fun thingy. What the fuck? I think I figured out how this works. Interesting. It works like how we have highlight command, right? How we have the highlight command. So whenever you type in by highlight, it then sends this sentence to my Streamer.Bot, and then whatever it is there in the sentence, it says that thing. So this works similar to that, just that instead of saying it with TTS, it writes it on the screen, and then it says the name of the person that activated it. Okay, that is neat. If you had like a local channel point system that didn't rely on Botisimo, we could pretty much do this. It is pretty neat. So you could like spam it, and then it will like not spam exactly because it is like 10 seconds long, but you could like fake news. Apple has dropped a new product called Bottom G. Yeah, but I believe fake news is disabled right now. Is it? Where's my fake news thingy? I think I have it disabled right at the moment. I had to disable it because it was not perfect. So we need to work that. We need to do that actually. You don't need to fix that thing and have it work. That is pretty nice. Then you guys can spam it and have fun with it.
Round one. Fight!
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's so cool.
Another fighting game. Ooh.
Yes, there it is. Thank you, Splud. Oh.
Wait, what?
Hollywood, what up?
How does this work?
Dude, they're fighting. They're fighting.
Oh, they use channel rewards to do it. Okay, okay, so that's how it works. What does this do?
Alright, glitch teleport transition test number 2.
Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Ooh.
Ooh yeah.
That is nice.
Test number 2.
Yeah, I know, right? It's very interesting. I mean, even without having the transition, like suppose, let's just jump into chat scene. Like suppose I'm here, right? You could activate a command or something, which could make me disappear, and have me like pop up over there, something like that, or somewhere around here, some like pop me up, teleport me over here, something. I disappear from here, I pop up here, or up here, or upside down, or somewhere else, or inside that screen in there. You could make use of it like that as well. There are so many ideas, there are so many thingies you can do. The only thing you need is time. I'm gonna copy this as well for the future. This is pretty cool. We could definitely do something like this. What does this do? Oh! Oh, that's neat. He has a camera feed behind, and then there's a window feed here. That is neat. And then there's another feed over there. Ooh. Damn. Oh. And now there's a lounge. Wait. Okay, so that's the message down there. Neat. That is pretty neat. He has like 2 chat boxes, one on the bottom of the screen and one on the top of the screen, as can be seen here. Oh no, it doesn't. It's not like that. Ah. Okay, so it's like that. So basically, the chat box starts from the bottom, right? So when the bottom bar fills up, the chat messages then come to the top bar and they follow it like that. So basically, new message comes here in the corner, like over here, and then I go here and here, and then we reach. Wait, what? Wait, what? What do you mean my congress on 300? Huh? Huh? 300? What? Where? What do you mean by 300? Right. Is it for my YouTube channel? Wait, is it my YouTube channel? Oh! Oh! Holy shit! Wait, when did we reach 300? Holy shit! What the fuck? Wow! Damn! That is the. I didn't expect we had reached 300. I didn't expect that. What? Holy shit! This is a surprise. Thank you to whoever followed me. Thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for the 300 subscribers. Thank you. I finally made it to the 300, and I can't. I'm so happy. Damn. Let's have some claps for this. Let's have some claps for this. Wow. Damn. I can't believe that we have managed to reach 300. It feels. Wow. Damn. Thank you everybody for sticking and making it to 300. Holy shit. Thank you. It's quite the victory. Quite the victory. That is such a nice start to June on reaching one of the goals, on reaching one of the new not goals, achievements. Thank you everybody. Thank you for making me reach 300. Damn. Thank you. Thank you. That is I didn't expect it, but holy shit. Right. Once again, thank you everybody. Thank you for the support. Thank you very much. I wonder if I should have something I think we could have something special for 300. Maybe next week or the week after that. A special stream for 300. I'm not sure what idea can we do, but I could see. Let's see. If you got any suggestions, let me know in the Discord or here, and we'll do some kind of a special stream next week or the week after that, depending on the thingies. let's celebrate our 300 and become part of the 300 Spartans. Neat, neat. Ah, this is just a concept, okay. Pixel Mog, it's time to duel. No. Ah, yes, Sonic Code, one of the legendary Spartan warriors. What does this do? I don't see anything happening.
That's hilarious, dude.
I don't see anything happening in that one. You see? I saw a big red button, yes. But I didn't think I saw anything in that. Like, we see a big button, that is true. But it's not like we can click on that.
This way. Okay, we're going back this way. Okay, we're going back this way. Can we make it through the door?
With access to the proper equipment, I could identify the active ingredient.
Right. I'm back up there. So we're waiting up. Fuck. Why can't I just go where I want? Alright, let's try again. Hold
Wait,
on. We're
this
gonna
is
make
Call
it
of Duty
this time.
Zombies? This game? This looks like a medieval era game. Like,
Damn it! Alright, we're racing it. We're racing.
this is Call of Duty Zombies for real? Holy shit. I thought it was like some weird game. I guess then again, Call of Duty Zombies is kind of weird, isn't it? Since it has zombies and stuff. What's the combo? Oh, I see. Black Ops 3. Yes, 60. Ah, so you can have it customize things like that. Okay. I don't know. Maybe in the future we could make use of it. We do already have a rating, so I don't think we need that thing. What is this thing? Nothing. Ah. So I'm assuming I'm assuming that this shows the latest YouTube video of the streamer with the command. So that the title here is of that thing, I assume. Neat. Mario mushroom. Okay, that sounds interesting. Wait, why do I have a feeling that mushroom is of Elemba? Interesting. Neat. Wait, maybe this could be useful for us. It's only zooming in and zooming out. Yes, yeah, yes, that's what it does. But the way it does is the neat part. Instead of just zooming in and out, you get the mushroom thingy from Mario, and then it goes in here. It gets bigger, and then he gets bigger, and it gets smaller and disappears. And that's how it does it. And after a few minutes, after a few seconds, it becomes normal. So in a sense, it does get big and small, just in the Mario way. In the Mario way. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, I'll see you in a bit, Pat. See you in a bit. I'll also be like done in like 10 or so minutes. But yeah, see you in a bit. This is interesting. But it is interesting actually. I'm gonna keep this. I think we could use this for the overletting. I'm gonna copy that and save this. Oh no, not you. There you go. And
finally, I'm glad to be back, yo.
Elemba. Yes, just. I guess I'm gonna rely on this and see if we can do something like that. That is neat. That is neat. Wonderful. Oh yeah, I do need to like add a custom Twitch bot so that we can have more power. Like currently it does feel weird when I reply to things, right? See, that is all I have to say. I'm out. Hello, Selcon. Okay, okay. That is all you have to say. Got it. Got it. Understandable. Understandable. But hello once again. How are you on this Saturday? If you are still here, that is. And I assume the C is for C sharp. Maybe. Maybe not. It does. So, right, as I was saying, I do need to like create a Twitch bot for us, and I hope I can get no, that is going to take a bit of a time since Streamer.Bot does not have a way to connect a YouTube bot account at the moment. But when it does, we could have a YouTube bot account as well, and it will be neat. What does this do?
Goodness. Oh, a new friend has arrived. Absolute misfit. He seems fun.
A review. That is neat as well. There's some pretty interesting ideas. There's some pretty interesting ideas. Interesting. How deep are we? Like, okay, I'll stop scrolling when we reach the 1st of April. I must stop scrolling once we reach the 1st of April. Modifying. I mean, I already know this thing. What is this?
I have a tier 2 animation now, so if somebody tier 2 sub.
And it's not loading. Well, Twitter be Twitter. I don't get why Twitter always has like issue. Like all this time I thought Reddit's video player was bad. And then I came across Twitter, and that is kind of even worse than the Reddit's one. It's kind of weird. Like I thought Reddit was bad, but then the Twitter one is even worse. At least Reddit works, even if it gives you in low resolution or something. Interesting. There's quite some interesting things in here. Okay. Hey. It is pretty interesting. Let me like pop this one out. The volume thing. This looks like very interesting. So I'm gonna copy this. I'll put this in here. Oh, it's like that. You could actually have it like that. A sound control thing. For like, especially that could be used for music. What do we need? What do we need? Alright, and we have reached the first of the thing, GG. Alright, that's it of scrolling and finding things. We are like found how many? How many did we find? But how many was it? We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh shit, I didn't save that one. And hello Pat, welcome back. How are you? How was your BRB break? Where was the thing? What the fuck? Can I not? Okay, there we go. Where was that thing? The thing I forgot to say. Oh shit. 15-3, no, I don't want to go that up. How's that thing? Ow. Ooh. Okay. We just found the extra thing that I didn't plan for, but this could be useful. If I can make it, if I can use that to have a combined chat box thing in our chat down there, it's great. Let's see if it works out. And I need to save that one. And what was the other thing that I wanted to save? Where is that thing? Where was that? Yeah, here it is. This thing right here, volume fader. So we're gonna save that as well. And we're gonna put this and this. So copy message link. And we're gonna do that like so. And we're gonna combine chat box, yes. Wait, where is that? Like combine chat box as in the one where both YouTube and Twitch chat flow in, like how the Botisimo chat box down there is, like how it was supposed to work, but it's not really working right now. That is what I meant by combined chat. So if this works like this, you could probably have it work, although it might be a bit it will actually work. It will actually work. We'll see. I'm just going to copy this so that we can have it done next time. It would be neat if I can make use of this thing to have the chats work to have the chat box work. That would be nice. That would be really nice. But anyways, that was a fun stream. We did like so many icons. I keep jumping back, but here's our final thing of how many icons we did. Where's my Figma? So we made it seems little, but it still is a lot of things. We made all these things. How many things is it? If I say export, that is 17 different icons. We made 17 different icons today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, since there's a glow in this. So we made 14 different icons today. That's pretty nice. That's a pretty neat thing. Not 17, it's 14, because behind this is another icon which is giving the glow effect to it. So it's 14, but it is still close. So we made 14 icons. We have got some nice amount of ideas to redeem. We reached a spectacular achievement of 300 subscribers on YouTube. I can't believe that we reached that number, but thank you everybody for your support. That is nice. It is neat. Let's see if I will have the special stream next week or the week after that to celebrate the 300 subscribers. If you got any ideas, let me know on Discord. If you got Discord, do join the Discord if you have not already. Follow me on Twitch, Twitter, Discord, or YouTube. If you are not already followed, subscribe to them. And let's hope that we can get the Twitch affiliate within this month of June. Let's aim to get that. But yes, I think that is good enough for today. Alright then. This has been it. I'll be seeing you all on Thursday with some Battlefield as usual. Thank you everybody for tuning in to today's stream. Anyways, with all that said and done, this has been it. Thank you. I will seeing you all on Thursday or on Discord. If you're not already joined my Discord, consider joining my Discord on !Discord. Which, yeah, I should move those commands to Streamer.Bot instead of Botisimo because it has its delays and shit. But yeah, it has been a pretty nice thing. I will see you all on Thursday or on Discord, whatever it may be. But yeah, thank you everybody. This has been the fun stream, and until then, until Thursday, have a great day, have a great evening, have a great afternoon, and have a great night. I will see you all later on Thursday. Yeah. Bye bye.